look at what it includes. So my son bought this, or he wanted this as something to play with. What is all of this, dude?
It's stuff to make your own circuit.
You may want to not touch that until you're ready.
That's the coating thing before you coat it.
Okay. Alrighty. So let's look inside here.
Unwrap everything time.
I don't know that I would open those yet.
Yes, they are.
No, don't open them until you're ready.
Open. This is the main. This is like the motherboard of a computer.
Well, let's just show what's in here first. I don't want you messing with things right away.
Okay.
So this is like snap circuits, but like upgraded version. This is like second level.
Lights right here, like no, third level because you have to do advanced coding. Lots of wires. This thing is, it's kind of like a cash register. You see this like on cash registers, like as the 9 something.
Wait. There's like a little remote
control. This little thing, which looks important.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of these.
Let's see what else there's. Oh, doodads.
Yes.
Definitely some doodads.
That's a motor.
A motor. Oh my goodness.
It's the motor for the fan.
Motors and pieces.
And so many pieces Tristan can lose.
Oh my goodness. Well, don't let Tristan touch this. This isn't for him.
This is like this thing you put the circuits on. Like, they'll just pop on.
Okay, pull it out and show me.
I watched the video enough times. Wait.
Oh, don't open it. Just look. Let's look at it.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. It's basically just lets the things click in.
Okay. And then
you get some wires.
Okay. Cool.
Use colorful wires.
Ooh.
Rainbow.
Are these instructions or?
No, they just give you the
really.
website.
Okay. Alrighty, and then there's a Super Starter Kit CD.